guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys the best fishing spot to get the common prawn and the oriental shrimp in Heartopia. And this is the prep that you need to do before the Call of Whales Fashionwave event. So to catch the common prawn, you are just going to fish around this area. It may work different for everyone, but you do have to fish it in the East Sea, and I've heard that it is the best spot here. I did have like more than two common prawns in this spot. There's also like one if you like fish underneath the bridge of the like Truffle Island, but you can try that out. But I did get more than when I was catching it somewhere else. Then for the Oriental shrimp, you're gonna want to catch it in the river, of course, but you're going to want to catch it in the shallow river, and that's where you get the most of the Oriental shrimp. So that is it. Hopefully it worked for you guys. It worked for me, so I did test it out and it worked. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click that thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!